Ladies and gentlemen, from space, Earth is a majestic beauty with no borders, a pale blue dot, just like the pavilion we will build in Rome for Expo 2030. It's a grand vision, I believe. But make no mistake, I'm not here to talk to you about a vision. I'm here to talk to you about a project with clear goals, milestones, and deadlines. For us, the planning of the bid dossier for Expo 2030 started with thinking about what its legacy will be, what will be left behind once Expo is over. In other words, what will begin and not end in October 2030. So let's be concrete. And first of all, let me highlight something quite unique. The site of Rome 2030 is the only one among the competing cities that includes a hospital, a major university, and multiple advanced research institutions, including the Italian Space Agency. So, keeping that in mind, let's go back to the legacy. And let me highlight 6 points. Legacy is education. Young, brilliant minds from all over the world will be able to study and work at the site of Expo 2030. Legacy is research. Researchers from all over the world at the site will have access to a unique network of laboratories and research centers to create innovation and new knowledge. Legacy is new innovative businesses based on that innovation and knowledge that will bring growth throughout the international community. Legacy is hybrid. Through a digital platform we will implement, people will be able to work together, both in presence and remotely, creating a living, thriving community. Legacy is return of investment, because those growth opportunities will not stay in Rome or in Italy for that matter. Students, researchers, young graduates, young talents, young professionals from all over the world eventually will go back to their countries, your countries, to share those opportunities for business and growth and innovation. Legacy is, above all, sharing. The Expo is by its nature universal, because universal must be the benefits that the whole international community derives from Expo. To share, to include, is in our DNA as Italians. It's part of our way of thinking, of our way of living. And therefore, this is the legacy that we envision for Expo 2030, a trail of progress through the international community that brings nations together around the goals of sustainable development. And so let me end on a poetic note. Back to vision, back to space even. Space is the most beautiful. The Earth is the most beautiful from space. It's the most beautiful planet. It's the greenest. It's the bluest. And it will be even more beautiful when you come to Rome in 2030. So join us in Rome in 2030, everyone, to build our legacy together. Our legacy for our kids, all of our kids, the kids of beautiful planet Earth. Thank you.